Hi, my name is Caleb, and I am learning how to use the toilet like a big kid. Sometimes, when I'm playing with my toys or watching my favorite show, I start to feel something different in my tummy. It feels like a little wiggle or a push. That's my body's way of saying, Caleb, it's time to go to the toilet. When I feel like I have to go potty, I stop what I'm doing. It's okay to pause playtime. My toys will still be there when I'm done. So I get up, hurry to the bathroom, and close the door behind me. I know what to do. First, I pull my pants down and sit on the toilet. Sometimes I have to go pee, and sometimes I have to go poop. My body knows just what to do. I take a deep breath and wait quietly. It's okay if it takes a minute. I can sing a quiet song in my head or think about what I'll play with after. When I'm all done, I grab some toilet paper. I wipe carefully, front to back if I pooped, and make sure I'm clean. Then I drop the toilet paper in the toilet and flush! That part is loud, but that's okay. It means everything is gone and clean. Now it's time to pull my pants back up. I make sure they're on the right way, just like when I got dressed this morning. Next, I wash my hands with soap and warm water. I scrub all over, between my fingers, on top and bottom, and even my thumbs. I count to 20, or sing the ABC song. Then I rinse and dry my hands. Now I'm clean, and my body feels so much better. I'm proud because I listened to my body and went to the toilet like a big kid. Guess what? Grown-ups love when I use the toilet. They smile, clap, and say, "Great job, Caleb. You're doing so well." Sometimes, I even get a reward. It could be a sticker on my potty chart, a small treat, or extra time with my favorite game. My reward reminds me that going potty is a good thing. If I have an accident, that's okay too. I just tell a grown-up, and Mom says, "When you have to go potty, you have to hurry to the potty." Then we run to the bathroom, and I practice going potty. Afterwards, we clean up the mess. Every try is a step closer to becoming a toilet pro. Using the toilet helps me stay clean, healthy, and comfortable. And best of all, I feel proud of myself every time I do it. I can use the toilet, and so can you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more brave kid adventures.